Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. First of all you have to do is open your TikTok app on your phone, and after that you have to go on your profile section on the bottom right corner. In your profile section you have to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Your settings will open or more options will appear. So you have to select settings and privacy, click on it. So a new page will open. From here you have to select balance. Click on balance. From here you will see all of the coins or the rewards that you have earned through TikTok. If you click on your live rewards or your balance, from here you will see your TikTok balance. It will ask you to add a payment method. You have to click on add payment method. Once you have added your payment method or your bank account has been linked to your TikTok account, all you have to do is click on withdraw money, and then you will be prompted to this page where you have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from TikTok account. Once you confirm the amount, your confirmation email will be received and it will be in the pending section, and you will receive your money within 1 to 2 business days. And that's how you can withdraw money from TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.